So he's smelling some birds that we put in earlier today. Now, if you watch him, he's got his head up, he's working the wind, he's smelling this planted bird. So he's taking his time because pointers, they don't want to flush the bird, they want to hold it. So he's just working the scent line out. 2 whistles to turn him. And they've got to work the wind right to be able to locate the bird. So, boom. Now he's got the scent right in his nose. He's gone on point for us. And our gunner, Josh, is going to go to shoot the bird. He'll slow the gun off. Josh is going in, simulating a flush of the bird. He's giving him a high hand and saying, whoa, whoa. Now the flush happens.